Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video topic is about how to change Twitter handle or username. So first I gonna tell you that if you're new on my channel, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Firstly, you need to come on the Twitter. You need to open your browser from your PC, like Google Chrome I use. Then you need to come on Twitter homepage as I like. Then you will see the profile option. Then click on it. After click on the profile, then you will see your profile interface. After coming your profile, then you will see edit profile option. Then press on it. After that you will see name, location and your website birth date. Then you need to save. Then if you don't find how to change username, then you need to go on more. Then you will see settings and privacy option. Then click on it. After that, on the right side you will see account option, and here you can see username option. Then press on it. After that you can change your username. So as I mentioned that they are suggest it this name, so you can use it, and it's available on Twitter and you can use it. So for example, I will write then they said that sometimes you will see that that username has been taken, please choose another. That means you can't use it because already people use it. So they suggest you that you can use this 3 of 1. So I think you guys understand. So if you choose like this one, then they will show green icon. It's also taken, so you can this one. That name has taken. So what are you gonna do? I can search color like this, and this name is available. Then you can save it and your username will be changed. I think you guys understand. So if you like our effort, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And for further video, and don't miss out our video, please stay with us, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.